Hey folks, good morning. Hey, I've got a couple of emails recently about getting some more details on the double divided nuke. So what we're going to do is, since I am kind of going one-handed here, we'll start kind of in reverse order. So of course this is everything together. All right, there's your entrance. It's blocked on this side. We'll show you what it looks like on the other side here in a second. So here's your outer cover, your dual inner covers. Okay, now on the inside, you see this is just a small strip of plywood that I've made even with the edge of the hive body here. And you can see that that just comes from a piece of, see the handle there? That's just an extra piece that I had laying around from a set of some supers that I did not put together. And they actually sat outside. They got a little bit warped, so they weren't good to use for hive bodies, so I kept them around in case I needed them for something. And this works out pretty well. So if you work your way around to this side here, you see here's your entrance on the opposite side. Okay, so this is the two divided sections. 4 frames here, 4 frames here. Now we take this away. I think this is the area a lot of people had some questions. So this is pretty dirty. It's out of service right now, so don't think this is how I'm going to put it in the hive. But you have an entrance over here, and then your opposite entrance is over there. This is all just regular 2x4. I took a 2x4 and I put it on my bandsaw and I cut it into 3/4 inch strips. So a 2x4 is going to be 1.5 inches in thickness. So if you cut that in half as it is, that gives you 3/4 of an inch, and then you just need to go ahead and make the rest of your cuts. It's easy on a bandsaw, but if you have, you know, a circular saw or whatever you might have, the important thing is you want them to be pretty even so that the side walls of the hive body itself will be as flat as possible. And all you're doing is you're making this in kind of an S pattern. So you see here we have here to here to here to here and back. So that's kind of a little bit of a more detailed view of the double nuke kind of setup from the bottom up. One thing I will add is when you put your inner covers on up top, 2 things. One, try to get this little notch blocked. So pull your outer cover up against it when you close it. Put them both on the same side. So put both of them like this up top, and then pull that outer cover right up against them, and that'll keep any bees that are in here from moving up and then around and back into the other colony. Also, you probably want to put a piece of tape or something over these just to make sure that they stay separated. All right folks, that's all I got for you. We'll talk to you soon.